up, YouTube? It's Pristine coming back at you with the second episode of the YC125 Supermoto Build. And today we're gonna paint the frame and the subframe. Okay. I know I said that in the next video I was gonna paint the swing arm, the linkage, the suspension, and all that, but I just want to get to it. I still don't have the color I want for the triple clamps and the swing arm, so we're gonna do the frame and subframe today. So this right here is what we're going to be using today. We got the clean metal primer. It says you can use on bare painting, lightly rusted. I try to, get everything down as much as I could. Hopefully it works well. We got semi-gloss white and the gloss clear. So let's get to it. Let's get it painted and see how it looks. First coat is done on both of them. I'm gonna let them dry a little bit. This is pretty good. Looks like it's gonna have to have, because of the paint that got stuck there, I couldn't get off. It's really thick, so you can still see it. So I don't know how many, coats I'm gonna have to give it to either level it out or at least make it look nice. So just a reminder for everybody, this is a build for me. So in any way the paint or whatever I'm gonna do in this series gonna be anything professional or anything. If you wanna do what I do, you can do it. I don't care, but it's basically shit that I'm gonna do for me, So the paint might not look good. The way you see me putting shit back together, it definitely ain't gonna be the right way. So, but it's just to have fun and do something, a little project. We'll get better with time. Next build, This is purely out of enjoyment and fun for me. Coat number 2. Get out. So that's the first can done of the white primer. I got another can I'm gonna do, till that can runs out, because like I said, I want a thick coat of that primer. So it'll look nice. And after that's done, we're gonna go ahead and paint it, clear coat it. Probably gonna do everything of that right now. So just got done with the second coat. Second 2.5 coats basically, because it went a little bit extra. And I'm spraying it on thick. I'm not going light and then light again and light and light. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when it's time to paint. I don't want to bore you with primer no more. I've been sitting here for past couple days. I got some more coats on of a sandable fillable primer. It's not perfect by any means. Like probably on camera you see it and it looks great. If you get close up, you can see like the paint chips, the paint that didn't come out and stuff. Like I said, it's not gonna be a show bike as long as it looks good on camera or from far away. It's gonna be a bike that's meant to take some hits. So, dude, it's time for paint. Let's get to painting. Yeah, first light coat of that gloss white, let it dry a little bit, keep going. So I already did a second coat on both of them. I forgot to turn on the camera, so yeah, we're going on with the third coat. It's still the first can like this 2 times. And I didn't notice it's paint and primer. So this build has more primer than anything else. It has layers on layers on layers on layers on layers. And but yeah, let's go. Go ahead and do it. So I'm doing more coats on this one, but with this I'm done since you really don't see that much with the plastics on and all that shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and already clear coat this one, and it'll give me kind of an idea how it's gonna look when I clear coat the actual frame. So let's clear coat that. Finally, after 3-4 days, you know how long it's been, that's already clear coated the subframe. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the clear coat on the frame, and that'll be that. Then we'll let it dry, put that on that, and see how it looks. Let's get at it. First go the clear coat done, let it dry for a couple minutes and hit it with the second hand, you know. I think it's gonna look good, I'm confident. Hell yeah, so this section of the project is done. Coats of clear coat are already laid on it, both frame and subframe. I'm really happy how it looks. It does not look like a powder coating job or like a professional paint job. You know, if you get close to it, it looks like it was done in a garage, hanging from a piece of wood with cardboard backing, which it is what it is. But it looks good. Like, it's not till you get close to it that you notice all that's wrong with it, but I'm happy with it. Happy with the way it came out, so just put it back together, the subframe on the frame. Take a look at it. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm happy with the way it looks. I still got way more stuff to do, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya.